Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. In this video, we'll continue our series on the tool axis control options inside of the simultaneous 5-axis milling toolpath. This time, we'll be talking about tilted through point. So tilted through point is essentially not using the surface normal, not using one of the axes, X, Y, and Z, but just basically using a point to control the angle of the tool. This point you see here I've sketched out in space is going to form a vector for the tool between the point and where the tool actually contacts those surfaces. And you can see from the wireframe that the toolpath angles actually pass through that point. If you look in the bottom left corner and the top left corner, you can see that those are the angles that tool takes. If we do a simulation on that and play through that, you'll see that the tool is always passing through that point. The vector made by the tool is always there. So this is just a simple way to control the angle without looking at what angle you want the tool to go at or looking at the surface normal. All you're doing is you're choosing a point by clicking on pick point and then literally just choosing the surface point, or it could be a point on a versi, on a solid, anything like that. It's literally just a point. And then from that point, you will form the tool vector and you choose what angle you want the vector to take from a coordinate system. So in this case, I'm choosing the z-axis. So right now, it's set to 0 degrees from the point towards the axis. If I switch this to from the axis towards the point, then that 0 degrees is actually from the z-axis. If we calculate that again, you'll see now that it's going straight up in the z-axis, and it's almost like I did a regular HSS toolpath. I just didn't angle the tool. You can see that once I put an angle on there. So let's say we do 10 degrees. So now that's 10 degrees off that line formed by the contact point and the sketch point. If I switch this to from axis towards point, you'll see again, it's 10 degrees, but now it's from the z-axis. And all that really is doing is just giving us an angle through that point or off that point. And the tool does the entire surface of the part, but it always passes through that sketch point. So again, it's just a way to control the angle of the tool without using the surface normal, without using a coordinate system. All you're doing is just saying pass through that point. Applications would be things like if you're doing the inside of a port or some sort of undercut, where you don't know the angle you need the tool to take, but you know that at the mouth of the port, if the tool passes through that point, you should be safe. Any questions on this or anything else from SolidCAM, just give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel and in this series of videos. Thanks for watching.